Graphing quadratic equations on the calculator. So we're just going to walk through graphing on the calculator. First, you want to make sure your quadratic is equal to 0 or equal to y. So in our case, it's already set equal to 0. And then we want to type the equation into y equals on our calculator. So go ahead and hit y equals on the calculator, and we want to type it in. Now remember, fractions have to be put in parentheses. So parenthesis 1 divided by 2 for the 1/2. Then we have x squared minus 4x plus 5. And then if you hit enter, it'll show you your equation. Make sure you put it in correctly. Then step 3 says graph to see where the vertex is. So you want to hit the graph button. And then once it's done graphing, you want to look around where the vertex is. So it's around where x is 1, 2, 3, 4. So then step 4, use the table to choose 5 points around the vertex. So table is right here above graph. So we hit second graph to get to our table, and we want to look around the x value where x is 4, because that's around where the vertex is. So we want to write about 5 points down. So I'm going to choose the points definitely 4, -3, because we said that's around where the vertex is. And you want to stick with integers when you can. 2, -1, and I'm not really writing these in order, and that's okay. 0, 5, and then we have 6, -1, and then if I scroll down, we get 8, 5. So you want to choose 5 points around that vertex, okay? And then we want to plot these points on the coordinate plane. So we have 4, -3, and then we have 2, -1, we have 0, 5, and then we have 6, -1, and then 8, 5. Then after that, you just want to sketch your quadratic. So remember, when you're sketching, you want it to make a fluid U motion. Make sure you're not just connecting the dots to get some weird V. You want to make sure that it is a solid U, and you want to try to capture that shape with those 5 points. So this is how you want to graph quadratics on the calculator and get your main points from the table so that you can plot it onto your coordinate plane. That's it.